Good evening. So there's esteemed guests and the executive table. I would like to thank each and every one of you to come by, because I was sitting there and I was thinking, what would I talk about? And a statement came to mind that the hardest decisions require the simplest explanations. So, hata kuja hapa Connectors Club, you might see kama vile it's a very simple decision that you made, but that's actually a very important step that you took for yourself and your future self. So, what I would love to leave you guys with is the hardest decisions require the simplest explanations. Take risks, do not fear taking risks. Jump, there's nothing, how many people have said about you're jumping off a mountain. When you jump, you're always going to go into an opportunity. All that are here, I believe, wanted at some point they jumped. They really didn't know what they were jumping to, like in Mushasiku. They jumped because they did not fear risk. So I know I cannot talk much in terms of motivation. There's undertaking to do that, but that statement about Machia, I believe we can take it and work upon it. So our company, Club Concept, is an investment advisory firm. We deal with providing financial literacy on local markets as well as global markets. Our flagship product is Forex trading, an asset class that can be easily accessed by youth. So in this connection with you, don't be afraid to talk to me. At some point, I'll be able to help you move forward when it comes to trading global markets. As a company, that is what we do, and I'm very happy and humbled to be a part of this group today. Thank you.